All right, this last video is how we're going to render out an image. So I did a rough mock-up of some lighting. Following the guide, I mimicked the color gels setup that they have here using all these different lights. This is my final product here. Um, and I think that's good enough for me. Looks good. Now I want to render out this image. Well, the first thing I need to do is I need to go to Arnold and open up the render settings. So it's actually going to be this little icon right here. So when you're rendering out your image, it's important that you are using the Arnold renderer. Um, because if you leave it at Maya software, nothing is going to come out the way you want. You're going to be trying to use Maya to render, and we want to be rendering in Arnold. So let's change this to Arnold renderer. Make sure that your image format is a JPEG. Some of these other ones are really good, like a PNG, but for this one, I want it to be a JPEG. Let's call it David Finished. Single frame, that works. Let's see, what else can we change here? Renderable camera, let's make that camera. And the presets. You can go as high def as you want, but the higher quality you're rendering out, the longer it's going to take to render. So just keep that in mind. But I'll leave it at 1080. All this looks good. The resolution looks good. You could up the resolution if you want, but once again, that is going to affect how long it takes to render out this image. Okay, I'm good with this. So now I'm going to close this. So now I've set up my settings to render out this image. So let me go up to File, and we're going to do Save Image. So where are we going to save this? Well, we need to save it inside of our project folder. In this case, it's going to be in my course folder, and we're going to save it to the images file right here. So select that, and David Finished. Click Save. And now that should have shown up inside of our project folder. Let me just open it up over here. Let's see. Images and David Finished. And there's my final rendered image. So that's how you're going to render out your final image. You're going to submit this image along with your project folder, and you are going to be done with the projects for Module 4.